Hello friends, my channel has 1,000 subscribers, thanks for that. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, for my upcoming short tutorial on Photoshop. Today, I will teach you how to remove background, in 1 minute. Open image in Photoshop. Drag background image into image. Transform image using Ctrl+T. Rename image. Select the picture whose background you want to remove. Select any selection tool and click on Select and Mask button. Select the transparency level that you think will be right. Select the area you want to keep. Selecting hair while selection. Select the Refine Edge brush after selection. Before pressing the OK button, select the Output Mask layer. Adjust the mask layer for slight changes. After that, you're done. I hope you all understand this short tutorial on selection.